reverse lights to LEDs. You have to pop out these first. So I'm use a plastic pry bar here. I use these for interiors, get them on eBay or Amazon pretty cheap. It's got 2 clips up top. And we'll just do the same thing here. Pry it out. Now this one's going to be a little more difficult because you're going to pull down from this corner, and there's a few different clips. If we look in here, there we go. So there's that yellow clip, and then there's that white clip right there, and then there's another clip down in there too. The yellow one, you don't want to break it, because I did so on this side, because I already tried to test it. And you can see that white clip back there. So that one was able to pull right out. The other one, we're going to have to grab some pliers and try to shake that one loose so we don't break the retaining clip. But most of this you're going to pull down. It's going to feel like you're breaking it. But let me get this side off first, and then we'll take a look and come back. Alright, so this side, I'm going to show you guys. There's that white retaining clip. That one pops right out. This one right here, I'm going to have to put right here is where the yellow one goes. You can see I broke it last time, so I'm super good at back in place, and I'll slide right here. Same thing up here. Here's that white clip. And then there's a piece right here. I'm going to have to super glue back into place. Pull this white clip out and put it back down in there. But we'll get to that later. I haven't done the other side yet because of those issues. But anyway, you see there's 4 lights, 2 on each side. So we'll just twist. There's one right there. And then there's another one back over in this corner. So let me get my lights, and then we'll swap them real quick. Alright guys, we finally got the right LEDs here. I got them both plugged in. And then put an angle and twist. And this one's gonna be a lot more difficult, so I'll put that one in. But I ended up getting these bulbs right here, which I'll link down below, which were very similar to, well, close in size to the stock. I probably ordered, this is probably like my 4th or 5th pair that I finally got to work without any issues or fitment and just working in general. So I'm gonna install the other one and show you guys the OEM lights compared to these LED upgrades. So I put in the other 2, so now we're going to test all 4 and check them out. Alright, so we got the other two in place. You got one here and one back here. So remember, when you order, you need 4 lights. They usually come in a pack of 2. I would suggest taking this out to help you get to the light back in this corner, because that, you know, this takes like 5 seconds to pop in there. This took me forever. And then when you put this back together, you're probably gonna have these stuck in the holes. So I would probably pry them out, and then they just slide right back in. Got yellow and 2 whites on each side. So that way when you put these back in, we should be able to just and then we have these handles, holders. You got 2 down and 1 up. Pop that back in place, same with the other one. And then that's it, guys. So the hardest part is getting the right light bulb, which I'll link down below, and then replacing that far light bulb on each corner was the biggest pain. But that's about it. Upgrading your reverse lights to LED. Like, comment, subscribe. JJ out.